Hello and welcome to Nikolay's genetics lessons, and today we are going to talk about box and whisker plot and his example of such plot. If you don't know how to interpret it, in just couple minutes you would know how to do it. So he is basically box, and this part we call whisker, and this is outliers. So this type of plots we use in order to reflect certain statistical information, including biostatistical information. So here's the problem that we are going to solve today. Determine the 5-number summary of the set of data. And here's the set of data, and here we have to choose variant A, B, or C. So today we have to determine 5-number summary, and what does it mean? Take a look at any of these box plots, and you would see that we have here one whisker, another one stands for the minimum, another for the maximum, and we have here quartile 1, quartile 2, and quartile 3. Quartile 2 we also call median. So 5-number summary stands for this minimum, quartile 1, quartile 2, quartile 3, and maximum. Our first step would be to change these numbers, this list of numbers, in ascending order. So the minimum here is 0, so let's put 0 here. Next we have here 5, and here's another 5, so 0, 5, 5. Next we have 10, and we have only one 10, so let's put 10 here. Next we have 15 two times, so let's put 15 here and here. Then we have 20, also it's repeated two times, so 20 and 20. Then we have 25, 25, so 25, 25. And lastly we have 30, so let's put 30 here. So now take a look. We have to find or define this box here, which consists of quartile 1, quartile 3, and median we also call quartile 2. So median of these numbers, we can easily find how many numbers we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So now let's count backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this 15 in the middle here is going to be our median. We have 5 elements to the right and 5 elements to the left of this number. So this is going to be our median or quartile 2. So let's put quartile 2 here, which is going to be this line in the middle here, median. Now let's find median here, and as you see, this is going to be 5. And this 5 stands for the quartile 1. So this is going to be quartile 1. Now what about quartile 3? And this is going to be median of these numbers, and this is going to be this 25 here, which stands for the quartile 3. So we have found 3 numbers out of 5-number summary. Now we have to find minimum and maximum. As you see, minimum is quartile 1, this number, minus 1.5 times IQR. IQR stands for the interquartile range. In our case, this is going to be range between 5 and 25, which is 20. So minimum is going to be quartile 1, which is 5, minus 1.5 IQR. So we have found that IQR is 20 times 1.5 is going to be 30. So minimum would equal 5 minus 30, and this is going to be minus 25. We don't have numbers which is smaller than minus 25. The smallest is going to be 0. So this is going to be our minimum, and maximum, as you see, is going to be quartile 3 plus 1.5 times IQR. So quartile 3, which is here, plus 30. It's going to be 55. But as you see, the maximum number in our set of numbers is 30. So this is going to be our maximum. So again, maximum is going to be quartile 3, which is 25 plus 30, and this is going to be 55. The maximum number which we have here is 30, and everything below minus 25 and above 55 is going to be outliers, but we don't have such numbers. So the minimum in our case is going to be 0, and maximum is going to be 30. So our 5 numbers is going to be 0, 5, 15, 25, and 30. As you see, this is answer C. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.